Did you know that cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis? Many believe this common myth, but let's uncover the truth. When you crack your knuckles, it creates a bubble in the joint fluid. This bubble pops, causing that distinct sound we all recognize. Research shows that cracking knuckles doesn't lead to joint damage. In fact, some studies suggest it may even provide a sense of relief. So, if you enjoy cracking your knuckles, feel free to keep doing it. Just remember, moderation is key for any habit, even this one. In the end, it's all about understanding your body and its needs. So, what's your take on cracking knuckles? Myth or reality?